వెల్కమ్ టు మ్యాథ్స్ అండ్ టెక్ బై విఎన్కే యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఈ వీడియోలో ప్రీవియస్ పాలిసెట్ ఎగ్జామ్లో మ్యాథ్స్ సబ్జెక్టు నుంచి లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ టాపిక్పై అడిగిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్కి సొల్యూషన్స్ కనుక్కుందాం. గివెన్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ ఫర్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ 2019x plus 2020y is equal to 4040 when x is equal to 0 the value of y అంటే x is equal to 0 అయితే y value ఎంత. So put x is equal to 0 in given equation so that the given equation becomes 2019 into 0 plus 2020 into y is equal to 4040. So 2019 into 0 is 0. So now this equation becomes 2020 into y is equal to 4040. So y is equal to 4040 divided by 2020. So this goes 2 times. So y is equal to 2. So correct option is 4. Next question is the solution of the equation 7x plus 5y is equal to 12. 5x minus 7y is equal to minus 2 is not equal to అంటే సొల్యూషన్ కానిది కనుక్కోవాలన్నమాట. ఒకసారి ఇచ్చిన 4 ఆప్షన్స్ని చూద్దాం. ఆప్షన్ 1 minus 22/22 అంటే -1, 14/14 is 1. నెక్స్ట్ ఆప్షన్ 2 33/33, 44/44 అంటే 1, 1. ఆప్షన్ 3 is also 1, 1. ఆప్షన్ 4 is also 1, 1. సో ఈ 4 ఆప్షన్లో కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ కానిది కనుక్కోవాలి, అంటే సొల్యూషన్ సాటిస్ఫై కానిది కనుక్కోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఆప్షన్ 1ని ఏదైనా ఈక్వేషన్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేద్దాం. సో -1, 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ ఇన్ 7x plus 5y is equal to 12. So x is -1, 7 into -1 plus y is 1, so 5 into 1 is equal to 12. 7 into -1 is -7, 5 into 1 is 5 is equal to 12. So this is -7 plus 5 is -2 and is equal to 12. So this is not satisfied. -2 is not equal to 12 అంటే solution is not equal to -1, 1. So correct option is 1. So if you substitute the option 2, 3, 4 that is 1, 1 in both the equation, it will satisfies. So the correct option will be only option 1 -1, 1 or -22/22, 14/14. Next question is x by 2019 plus y by 2020 is equal to 2 and 2x by 2019 minus y by 2020 is equal to 1. Then find x, y is equal to. To find x, y, write the given equation. X by 2019 plus y by 2020 is equal to 2 and then 2x by 2019 minus y by 2020 is equal to 3. If you add is equal to 1. Okay, if you add both the equations, then we will get we can eliminate y terms. So here add both the equation. So plus y by 2020 and minus y by 2020 get cancelled and remaining term will be, remember we are adding the both the equations, so that is x by 2019 plus 2x by 2019 is equal to 2 plus 1. So this is becomes the denominator 2019 is same, that is 2019, and so the numerator x plus 2x is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3. So this becomes 3x by 2019 is equal to 3. So which is nothing but x is equal to 3 into 2019 divided by 3. So 3 get cancelled. X is equal to 2019. Substitute the x value in a given equation to find y value. Okay. So substituting in the first equation, so the x value is 2019. So in this expression I'm going to find. So 2019 by 2019 plus y by 2020 is equal to 2. So 2019 by 2019 get cancelled, this becomes 1. So 1 plus y by 2020 is equal to 2. So y is by 2020 is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So y is equal to 20. So the correct option is x is equal to 2019, y is equal to 2020. So option 1 is correct. Next question is, if 5 comma 2 is the solution of 2x plus 5y is equal to 20 and ax minus by is equal to 0, then find a comma b. Given that 5 comma 2 is a solution of given both the equation, so substitute 5 comma 2 in ax minus by is equal to 0. So x plus 5, so a into 5 minus b plus 2, so b into 2 is equal to 0. So this is 5 into a minus 2 into b is equal to 0. Next, మనం ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్ ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తూనే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో లెట్ us substitute the option 1 2 comma 5 in the above equation. So 5 into 2 minus 2 into 5 is equal to 0. So this is 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. It is satisfied. So option 1 is correct. Remaining option 2, 3, 4 if you substitute చేస్తే మనం ax minus by that is 5a minus 2by లో substitute చేస్తే wrong వస్తుంది. So only option 1 will be satisfied. So option 1 is correct. Next question is, if the system of equations x minus y is equal to 1, ax plus y is equal to 2 has unique solution, then find a value. If two linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 has unique solution, that is only one solution, then a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. One of the given equation is x minus y is equal to 1. So this is x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 1, c1 is equal to minus 1. So the another equation is ax plus y is equal to 2. So this is nothing but ax plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So comparing with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, a2 is equal to a, b2 is equal to 1 and c2 is equal to minus 2. Substituting a1 a2 b1 b2 in this relation, that is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, so a1 value is 1, a2 value is a, not equal to b1 value is minus 1 and b2 value is 1, so which implies, so cross multiplication, so 1 into 1 1 not equal to minus 1 into a is minus a, so which implies a not equal to minus 1. So the correct option is 4, a not equal to minus 1. Next question is, find the solution of 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13 and 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. So we have to find x comma y values. We solve it by elimination method. So try to eliminate y. So to eliminate y, first expression 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13 is multiplied by 4, and the second expression 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2 is multiplied by 3. After multiplication, the first expression becomes 8 by x plus 12 by y is equal to 52, and second expression becomes 15 by x minus 12 by y is equal to minus 6. Now to eliminate y, add these two equations. So plus 12 by y and minus 12 by y get cancelled. Now 8 by x plus 15 by x is equal to 52 minus. So this is nothing but x is in denominator is same, so this is denominator becomes x. 8 plus 15 is 23, which is equal to 52 minus 6. 52 minus 6 is 46. So x is equal to 23 by 46. So x value becomes 1 by 2. So once you check the options, okay, so in options 1, 2, 3, 4, only the option 4 x value is given as 1 by 2. So option 4 will be correct option. Next question is, if the system of equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and a plus b x plus 2a minus b y is equal to 21 has infinite number of solutions, then find a and b values. Compare the given first equation with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Then a1 value is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, and c1 is equal to minus 7. Compare the second equation with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then a2 is equal to a plus b, b2 is equal to 2a minus b, and c2 is equal to minus 21. If system of equation has infinite number of solutions, then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Now substituting a1 a2, b1 b2, c1 c2 values. Now this is a1 is 2, a2 is a plus b is equal to b1 is 3, b2 is 2a minus b is equal to c1 is minus 7, c2 is minus 21. So minus minus get cancelled. 7 3s are 21, so this is 1 by 3. Now we can write 2 by a plus b is equal to 1 by 3 and 3 by 2a minus b is equal to 1 by 3. Now this term 2 by a plus b is equal to 1 by 3 cross multiplication, then it becomes a plus b is equal to 6, and this one cross multiplication 2a minus b is equal to 9. So now we have to solve, okay, that is a and b value. So we have to eliminate any one of the value a or b. So a plus b is equal to 6, 2a minus b is equal to 9. So we can eliminate b. So plus b minus b get cancelled by adding these two equations. So this becomes a plus 2a is equal to 3a, which is equal to 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. So this gives a is equal to 15 by 3. So a is equal to 5. Now substituting a is equal to 5 in a plus b is equal to 6, then so a is 5 plus b is equal to 6, so nothing but b is equal to 6 minus 5, that is 1. So a is equal to 5, b is equal to 1, so the correct option is 2. Next question is, if the system of equation 3x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 6x plus ky plus 11 is equal to 0 has unique solution, then k value is. Comparing the first equation with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, then a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 2, c1 is equal to minus 7. Comparing second equation with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, a2 value is equal to 6, b2 value is equal to k, and c2 value is equal to 11. If system of equation has unique solution, then a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Now substituting a1, a2 and b1, b2 values, a1 is 3, a2 is 6 is equal to b1 is minus 2 and b2 is k is not equal to, okay. So here 3 2 times, that is 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. So now this expression becomes 1 by 2 is not equal to minus 2 by k, so cross multiplication, so k not equal to minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4, k not equal to minus 4, so the correct option is 4. Next question is, if 2 power x plus 3 power y is equal to 17 and 2 power x plus 2 minus 3 power y plus 1 is equal to 5, then find the value of y. The given second equation can be written as 2 power x plus 2 minus 3 power y plus 1 is equal to 5. So 2 power x plus 2 is nothing but 2 square into 2 power x minus 3 power y plus 1 is nothing but 3 into 3 power y is equal to 5. So this 2 square is nothing but 4, 4 into 2 power x minus 3 into 3 power y is equal to 5. Now consider the 2 power x is equal to a and 3 power y is equal to b, then this equation can be written as 4a minus 3b is equal to 5. Now equation 1 can be written as 2 power x plus 3 power y is equal to 17. So already substituting these 2 power x is equal to a and 3 power y is equal to b in this expression, then this is a plus b is equal to 17. Now let equation a plus b is equal to 17 is equal to equation number 1 and 4a minus 3b is equal to 5 is equal to equation number 2. So a is equal to 2 power x, b is equal to 3 power y. So to find the value of y, we have to eliminate a. Now to eliminate a term from equation number 1 and 2, multiply equation number 1 with 4, that is 4 into a plus b is equal to 17, which is nothing but 4a plus 4b is equal to 68. So subtracting the second equation from the above equation, 4a minus 3b is equal to 5. So here we are doing subtraction, so this is minus 4a plus 3b minus 5. So this 4a minus 4a get cancelled, 4b plus 3b is 7b, is equal to 68 minus 5 is 63. So 7b is equal to 63, so which implies b is equal to 63 by 7, nothing but b is equal to 9. But b is equal to 3 power y, so 3 power y is equal to 9. So 3 power y is equal to 9, nothing but 3 power 2. So bases are same, 3 and 3. So y becomes 2. So the correct option will be option 1. Next question is, if x by 7 plus y by 3 is equal to 5 and x by 2 minus y by 9 is equal to 6, then find the values of x comma y. We find the solution by using elimination method. So consider this as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now equation number 2 is multiplied with 3. So x by 2 minus y by 9 is equal to 6 is multiplied by 3. Now then this becomes 3x by 2 minus 3y by 9. 3y by 9 ante 3 times then 9. So this is y by 3. So 3 6 ja 18. So now add equation number 1 to the above equation, that is x by 7 plus y by 3 is equal to 5. So adding these two, see here minus y by 3 plus y by 3 get cancelled. So now this is 3x by 2 plus x by 7 is equal to 23, which becomes, by taking LCM, so 2 7s are 14, so this is 14, then 3 7s are 21, 21x plus 2x is equal to 23. So this is nothing but, so 21x plus 2x is 23x divided by 14, and which is equal to 23. So this is, it will cancel here, 23 23 it will cancel, you will get 1 here. So x is equal to 14. To find the y value, substitute the x value in equation number 1. So 14 by 7 plus y by 3 is equal to 5. So which is nothing but 14 by 7 nothing but 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 3. So this is nothing but y by 3 is equal to, this is 5, okay, 5 minus 2, y by 3 is equal to 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. So nothing but y is equal to 9. So x is equal to 14, y is equal to 9. So the correct option will be option 2. Next question is, the lines represented by 5x plus 7y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 10x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0 are dashed lines. Option 1 coincident, option 2 vertical, option 3 parallel, option 4 intersecting. Comparing equation number 1 with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to 7, c1 is equal to minus 14. Similarly, equation number 2 is compared with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then a2 is equal to 10, b2 is equal to 3, c2 is equal to minus 8. Now finding a1 by a2, a1 by a2 is equal to, a1 is 5 and a2 is 10. So this is nothing but 1 by 2. Now find b1 by b2. So b1 by b2 is equal to, b1 is 7 and b2 is 3. Since a1 by a2 are not equal to is not equal to b1 by b2, then lines are intersecting and they will have unique solution. So option 4 is correct. Next question is x plus y is equal to 15 has dash number of solutions. Option 1 10, option 2 2014, option 3 20, option 4 infinite. So xi comma y can be infinite number of combinations. So given equation has infinite number of solutions. So the correct option is 4. Next question is, if 9x plus 11y is equal to 51 and 11x plus 9y is equal to 49, then x is equal to, let given equation 9x plus 11y is equal to 51 as equation number 1 and 11x plus 9y is equal to 49 as equation number 2. So to find x value we have to eliminate y. Subtract equation 2 from equation number 1. So this is 9x plus 11y is equal to 51 and this is 11x plus 9y is equal to 49. So second equation subtracted from the first. So this is minus minus minus. So 9x minus 11x is minus 2x. 11y minus 9y is plus 2y. 51 minus 49 is 2. So take common 2. Then this is minus x plus 1 plus y is equal to 2. So 2 get cancelled. This is 1. Now minus x plus y is equal to 1, which means y is equal to x plus 1. Now substitute y is equal to x plus 1 in equation number 1. So 9x plus 11 into y, so y plus x plus 1 is equal to 51. So this is 9x plus 11x plus 11 is equal to 51. So 9x plus 11x is 20x plus 11 is equal to 51. So 51 minus 11 is 40. So 20x is equal to 40. X is equal to 40 by 20. So x is equal to 2. So the correct option is 4. Next question is, if 3x plus 4y minus k is equal to 0 and 6x plus 8y minus 4 is equal to 0 are coincident lines, then the value of k is, from the first equation, a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 4, c1 is equal to minus k. From the second equation, a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to 8, c2 is equal to minus 4. For coincident lines, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Substituting a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 values. So a1 is 3, a2 is 6, b1 is 4, b2 is 8, c1 is minus k, c2 is minus 4. So then this is nothing but 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2 and 4 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 2. So this is nothing but 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to this minus and minus get cancelled in. So then this is nothing but k by 4. So k, that is k by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So k is equal to 4 by 2. So k is equal to 2. So the option 4 is correct. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కొరకు మ్యాథ్స్ అండ్ టెక్ బై విఎన్కే యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ని లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. న్యూ వీడియో నోటిఫికేషన్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై వీడియో.